Hi, would you like your clients to be able to schedule classes or events with you? Using our classes feature will allow you to set up classes that you will be able to manage separately from any services you might be offering. In contrast to our service and service provider configuration, using classes will allow you to have all the settings related to a given class on one page. Let's take a quick look at how to use classes. We can enable this feature on the Custom Features page. Let's click on Manage to create a new class. We will later be able to access this page using the menu on the left. I already have a few classes configured, but now I'll click on the plus icon to create a new one. Much as with Service Setup, we can fill out the name, description, add an image, and choose whether the class should be visible on the booking page. A little lower, we can set the class price and choose a sales tax if you're using one. Let's continue to the Class Provider section, where we can indicate the number of clients per class. You can also add provider details below if you like. In the next section, we can configure the duration of the class and add a buffer time if necessary. If you want to quickly set up openings for specific times or with a set interval, you can take a look at how to use our Appointment at Fixed Time feature. If multiple dates should be added whenever a booking is made, please refer to our tutorial on recurring services. Let's configure the class schedule. If we're setting up a one-time event, we can toggle the special days switch and set up the necessary dates. If not, we can adjust the weekly availability below. The remaining options have to do with using other custom features in conjunction with classes. So for now, let's save the changes we've made. You can check out the links in the description for more tutorials if you like. We hope you found this video helpful. You can find more tutorials like this on our YouTube channel. Please do not hesitate to like and subscribe, as well as check the links in the description to follow our social media pages. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.